I'm gonna save this egg white. My husband likes to eat egg whites in the morning, so we'll save it for them. We'll
for all of them. All your husbands.
all my husbands. Shh, don't tell him. Hey everyone, I'm Sav and this is Lagom Eats. Today we're gonna be making homemade cookie cereal. This went viral on TikTok. Now even the New York Post and Business Insider are talking about it. So of course I had to try it. Most people are using store-bought cookie dough, but as you guys know, I like to make everything from scratch, so we're gonna be making our own homemade cookie dough. Since we're dousing these cookies in milk, we're gonna make crispy chocolate chip cookies so they can withstand the milk and not just fall apart instantly. The best part about this recipe though is it's one bowl, doesn't require a stand mixer, and there's no chilling time, so it's super quick. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We're gonna be using 1 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 10 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 egg yolk, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/4 cup of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of milk, and then a little bit more for dousing those cookies. Let's get baking. So like I said, we're using one bowl, so basically we're just gonna throw everything in here. It's super easy. Pour in our melted butter, half a cup of our granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Make sure you pack it in there. Now we're going to mix this together. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of our light corn syrup. Now, like I said, these chocolate chip cookies are gonna be crispy. So there's a few ingredients that make them crispy and not soft and gooey like we're kinda used to. One of them is corn syrup. It's gonna make those chocolate chip cookies nice and crispy. If you don't have corn syrup, you can use any kind of liquid sweetener like honey. Let's add in our egg. We're just using the yolk of this. So I'm gonna save this egg white. My husband likes to eat egg whites in the morning, so let's save that for him. All right, let's give that a mix. Let's add in our vanilla extract. We're using about 2 teaspoons. Mix it in there. Let's put in our milk. We're using 2 tablespoons. This is another one of the ingredients that makes our cookies crispy. The more moisture in it, the more they're gonna spread out and be crispier. 2 tablespoons. Mix that together. So usually with normal cookie dough recipes, you mix all the dry ingredients together and then combine it with the wet ingredients. However, we're just doing a 1 bowl cookie dough, so we're not gonna do that. Is it really necessary? I don't know, I don't really see a difference. So we're just gonna add it all together. 1 less bowl we have to clean, which I love. So let's just add in all our dry ingredients. Okay, we're gonna add in 1 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Again, like I stress in every baking video I do, don't scoop it out like this, people. That is gonna get a dry and dense cookie, which we don't want. So we're gonna scoop it out with a spoon and into our measuring cup. Fill it all the way to the top. Use the back of your knife, level it out. This is a 1/3 cup measuring cup, so we're gonna do 5 of these in total, so 4 more. So I feel like I'm gonna get yelled at by a lot of bakers because yes, it is important to mix your dry ingredients beforehand, put it into the wet ingredients, so then all those dry ingredients are incorporated, the baking soda, the salt, it's evenly throughout. You don't have to overmix it. When you overmix it, as we all know, the gluten is gonna build up, it's gonna create a more tough and dense baked good. This is really crucial in those cakes where you want those fluffy, airy, light cakes. But in this cookie, we're making them, they're gonna be really thin and crispy. It's not the biggest deal. All right, let's mix this up. Just until it's incorporated. Okay, now we gotta add in our chocolate chips. We're using about 1.25 cups, and we're using mini chocolate chips today because we're gonna make really little cookies. Okay, and then just fold those in. All right, now we're gonna roll them out. So we want them to be really small because they're cereal. Cereal pieces are small. So get them like seriously as small as you can. They are gonna spread out a bit, so they will be bigger than you think. Our dough is rolled. This makes a lot of cookies, just FYI. So hopefully you guys want a lot of this cookie cereal. So we're gonna put these in the oven now for about 5 minutes. They don't take very long. Our cookies are done. Look how cute they are. We're gonna let them cool a little bit on the baking sheet, probably for about 5 minutes. Then we're gonna transfer them to the baking rack and let them cool completely. They won't get fully crispy until they're completely cooled. So if you don't wanna make 1,000 of these little cookies, you can just freeze this cookie dough. It'll be good in your freezer for like 3 months. You can take it out, thaw it, and make this whenever you want. Our cookies are done. Look how cute they are. They're so teeny and they're super crispy. Hear that? So they will withstand this milk and not just break apart. Got our little cereal bag full of our cookies. It's like Cookie Crisp. Okay, let's dump them out. Oh my gosh. This is like the best bowl of cereal. All right, let's pour our milk. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, it's gonna be amazing. All right, let's take a bite. Oh my gosh. Who doesn't want this for breakfast in the morning? Milk softens them up a bit. I mean, cookies and milk, there's nothing better than that. They are definitely worth the hype. It's a pretty perfect way to eat cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed my version of cookie cereal. The full recipe can be found on my food blog at logomeats.com. I've got new delicious dishes coming out every week, so hit a like and subscribe below. I'll see you guys next time. Hey dough!